Okay. Now, so before I progress and discuss about this thing, there is a concept called beggar thigh neighbor policy. Okay, beggar thigh neighbor policy. So this is a policy, okay, that is taken by a country. You can say it is an economic policy, okay, taken by a country to address its problem, okay, at the expense of other country issue, okay. Beggar thigh neighbor policy, okay, refers to an economic policy taken by a country in order to address its problem, or you can say economic problem, at the expense of other trading partner. Okay, so we are going to look at effect of tariff on national income. Okay, keeping in mind this beggar thigh neighbor policy. Okay, now in the short term, output is demand determine this you know. In the short term, output is demand determine. Okay, so we are looking at open economy. So aggregate demand consists of consumption expenditure, investment expenditure, government expenditure, export minus import. Okay, and you know that in equilibrium y equal to AD. And if you remember, we draw graph like this. Here we take income, here we take aggregate demand or aggregate expenditure, whatever you want to write. Okay, this is a 45-degree line we draw. Okay, then we draw the aggregate demand curve in order to determine equilibrium income. The output is demand equal. Okay, so net keep the framework very simple. Okay, net consumption expenditure is okay. Let me finish it here. Consumption is C bar plus small c y. Okay, there is a non-proportional relationship between income and consumption. Okay, then government expenditure is given, say G bar. Investment is given I bar. Export is given also, say X bar, and import is also autonomous, say F bar. Okay, I am not taking the induced part. Okay, import is also given M bar. Okay, now I want to promote this aggregate demand first. Here, how can I promote it? First, let's substitute on this value here in this aggregate demand equation. Okay, what you will get? You will get C bar okay, plus I will be writing this later on. Okay, first write the autonomous part. On the autonomous part, write it. Okay, I bar plus G bar plus X bar minus M bar. Okay, plus small c y. I can write this here, but I have written it separately. Okay, on this autonomous part, this is your aggregate demand, and in equilibrium, output is demand determined. This will be equal to y. Okay, net promote this on the graph. This equation. Okay, here. So my intercept will be this term, right? And what will be my slope? Change in aggregate demand over change in y. You know this thing. Change in y-axis over change in x-axis. This will be small c. So MPC is my slope. Okay. So it will be flatter. Curve will be flatter because this is 1. It is 45-degree line. It is dividing both axes equally. So when I draw this graph for this aggregate demand curve, it will be flatter crossing this line, 45-degree line. Okay. So this is my intercept. C bar plus I bar plus G bar plus X bar minus M bar. Okay. Now, let me finish intercept here. and let me give you some value. Okay, it will be easier to understand when I give the value. Okay, suppose C bar plus I bar plus G bar is 100. Okay, when I add these three, I am getting 100, and my export minus import is say minus 10. Okay, export minus import minus 10 means I am exporting 50 unit and importing 60 unit. Okay, so what will be my aggregate demand or my intercept term? Look at this part. This will form my intercept. Yes or no? This part will be my intercept. Okay, and this is plus small cy. Okay, from here I am getting the slope, and this is my intercept. When my income is zero, this term represents intercept from in the aggregate demand axis. Okay, so what will be your intercept term? 100 minus 10. This term is 100. This is minus 10. 100 minus 10 is 90. 90 is my intercept, and this is my aggregate demand. C plus I plus G plus X minus M, say M1. Okay, let me put it M1 here. M bar 1. Okay. So this is my equilibrium level of equilibrium. Say Y1E. Okay. Up to this part, things are clear to everyone? Okay. Now suppose government imposes tariff. Okay. Government imposes tariff, then what will happen? Tariff is imposed. Okay. So tariff is a tax, okay, or duty levied by the domestic government. So when tariff is imposed, price of import increases. Right? When tariff is imposed, import become expensive. So what will happen? Import will fall. If you remember your circular flow graph or diagram, circular flow. In the circular flow, import is a leakage. Right? Import is a leakage. So when you import flow, import will decline. Okay? What will happen? It acts as a autonomous injection. Okay? When you import decline, it acts as an autonomous injection, and thus increase aggregate demand. Okay? I am repeating one more time. When government imposes tariff, import become expensive, so import will reduce. Import is the leakage, so when leakage part reduces, that means you are adding autonomous injection. Okay, so it will increase your aggregate demand. Okay, so when aggregate demand increases, level of economic activity in the economy increases. Okay, when level of economic activity will increase, unemployment will reduce. Okay, and that will take care of recession that is happening in the economy. Okay, so if there is a problem in the economy, like you don't have enough employment going on, what government resort to? Government resort to tariff also. Okay, so suppose government imposes tariff, import reduces. Previously, how much we are importing? 60 unit. Okay, now when tariff is introduced, import reduces from 60 to 50. Okay, now how much we are importing? We are importing, say M bar 2 is 50. So we are importing 50 unit, we are exporting 50 unit. Okay, so what will be your net export? Export minus import, this will be 0. Okay, now look at the intercept. What will be my intercept term? C bar, I bar, G bar remains same 100. The net export term is now 0. So what will be my intercept of the aggregate demand? My intercept of the aggregate demand will be 100. This is 100 now, and this is 0. So 100 minus 0 is 0. So my aggregate demand curve shift upward. Okay, with new intercept of 100, and slope is small c. Okay, you can write this as C plus I plus G plus x minus m bar 2. Okay. So national income increases from Y1E to Y2, and this is change in import. Okay. So once you put tariff, leakage part from the circular flow reduces. Okay. That means it acts as an autonomous injection in the system. As a result, aggregate demand increases. You can say aggregate demand increases. Okay. When aggregate demand increases, your national income increases, or level of economic activity increases. Okay. As a result, your unemployment will decline. Okay. Now, when this country, home country, okay, is imposing tariff. Okay, it is good for home country that it is imposing tariff. Okay. But when home country is imposing tariff and reducing import, okay, it is affecting the export of foreign country. So export in the foreign country is coming down. Okay, what foreign country is exporting to us, it is coming down. Okay, so their level of economic activity will come down also. It will hurt their employment. Okay, their growth. Here, what we are saying is that we are looking at that everything remains the same if only one country imposes tariff. Okay, it is able to increase its economic activity. Okay, it is able to increase its aggregate demand and thereby reduce unemployment. Okay, but if other country retaliate, what will happen? It will also put tariff. Yes or no? Other country can also put tariff. So what we are exporting, say 50 unit, it can also come down. So this beggar thigh neighbor policy, okay, that means the economic policy that this home country has taken, okay, in order to take care of its problem, okay, and economic problem, okay, at the expense of the other country, is not going to work because other country is retaliating. Okay, but we can say that everything else remains the same. That means other country not retaliating. Okay, if a country imposes tariff, okay, it is able to boost its economic activity. It can be able to increase its aggregate demand and thereby economic activity. Okay, clear everyone? However, this beggar thigh neighbor policy, okay, will not work when there is a retaliation from the other country. Okay, this is what we have, effect of tariff on national income. When we look at ceteris paribus condition, okay, that means from only home country perspective and there is no retaliation, we can say that imposition of tariff, okay, is going to benefit, okay, the country that is imposing tariff. Okay, it is able to increase its economic activity, okay, by taking economic policy of imposing tariff. It is able to increase its economic activity, okay, and take care of its economic problem at the expense of other country, or you would say at the expense of its trading partner. Okay, this is what we have. Okay, so I stop here for today.